Hello everyone, my name is Brajesh Shrestha and I'm currently studying computer science, currently in third year, fifth semester. So the problem that today we are going to discuss about is about a regular expression that our sir has given us for an assignment. So the question says that we need to give an output of this sort, and we have a regular expression. Before we talk anything about this problem, I would recommend you to understand a basic fundamentals of what regular expressions are and how can you deal with it. So this is the regular expression that we are gonna work on, and these are the string values, these are the raw strings. So whenever you input these four strings, the string will be accepted, and whenever you give these three string, the result will be rejected or the string will be rejected. So let's discuss about how we can formulate or code this program. The first thing that you need to do is always import re, which stands for regular expression. uh, so there are a lot of ways to implement this programming, but the first thing that you always can do is whenever you have a raw string is a make a list. So let's make a list of uh, match match perhaps, and input and all of this. I'm just gonna do a copy paste because I don't want to waste your time and mine either. So these are the string that we are gonna check if it is valid for this expression or not. uh, Before we code anything, I want you to understand what this means. All right, so these are the some symbol that are or identifiers or modifiers for regular expression, which means uh, this is a range from you can choose either from A to Z, or A capital A to capital Z, or G or underscore, right? And the second letter or anything could be A to Z or capital A to Z or 0 to 9, right? So let's find this. How can you do is, so since we have a lot of string to check on, we are gonna use loop. So for mm, I in range or I in match, right? For I in match, you need to check if this expression is valid for these strings, right? So we have a formula, but for doing that we need to check. So for checking, you do if and then you can so whenever a result gets true, it gives one, right? So you can use this function which is called search, which searches in the given expression. So whenever you are utilizing or you are doing a regular expression, I want you to write r, which means raw string, and you can copy paste or you can just type it along with me. and I, which means this I. So this code is gonna check this string individually. So if this is true, then you can say that uh, print, right? Print for I, the string is accepted, right? Else is rejected. So we're gonna execute this. If there should not be any problem with this, I think, right? So you can check that there should be three rejected, but since there is a problem, this should be accepted, right? This should be accepted because the first letter can be either A to Z or capital A to Z or underscore, right? And when you check on A to Z, the first letter is A, right, which is true for this first expression. And the second expression says that could be A to Z or could be A to capital Z or any number from 0 to 9, which is also true, so it is accepted. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any questions, you can comment down in the comment section below.